Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about something on English journey, or if you are in a process of learning this language and you want to learn English and you want to master in speaking English, or you have to learn communication skills. So while I'm also on this journey and I have been learning English or having a practice session in English, so I am making this video. And yeah, I was going to talk about that yes, you have to have patience with yourself, or you must have heard about people talking something like that, learn English in 30 days, or learn spoken English in 60 days. So if you think about that kind of people, or they are giving guarantee, I think it is fake, or it is not possible to be fluent in English in 30 days or in 60 days, because it is not our mother tongue and we were not given that kind of atmosphere uh, in which we were able to speak English. So it is not our mother tongue and it is a second language for us, so we are not able to speak like native speakers, or we are not that fluent as native speakers. So it will take time. It is normal and it is obvious that we are going to take some time, huge time, to be fluent in this language. So if you want to be fluent in English, or you have to master this language, so you have to give some time to yourself, or you have to practice a lot, or you have to read a lot in English, and you have to surround yourself with English language only. Whatever you are learning, or you are reading, or you are watching something on television or on mobile, just make sure that that content would be surely in English language. So um, by doing that, you will be able to speak English fluently, and you will have that knowledge of English language, or sentence structure, sentence formation, or idea of grammar, idea of using the words. Or you are watching the actors or people in the serials or movies or web series, they who are speaking English and having conversation in English, or the usage of words of the actors and their dialogue delivery, and you have to repeat those dialogues or sentences by yourself. So by doing this kind of stuff, you will gain a lot of confidence, and you will have that hope that yes, I will also speak this language. Or just uh, do not keep this mind that in 30 days or in 60 days I will be able to speak fluently in English. Just do not think about that. Just be in your journey and keep uh, be constant, or be consistent with your journey, or whatever opportunity you are getting with yourself to learn this language, you have to grab it and just keep having practice sessions. Thank you.